The automotive world is abuzz with the unveiling of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, a vehicle that redefines American supercars. At its heart lies a 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged LT7 V8 engine, delivering an astounding 1,064 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 828 lb-ft of torque at 6,000 RPM. This powerhouse propels the ZR1 to a top speed of 233 miles per hour, making it the fastest and most potent production Corvette to date. Performance metrics are equally impressive. The ZR1 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.3 seconds and completes the quarter mile in just 9.6 seconds at 150 miles per hour. These figures position it as a formidable contender in the supercar arena, challenging even the most elite European exotics. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the ZR1's capabilities. Innovations such as wide side air inlets, carbon fiber elements, and a suite of airflow and cooling features contribute to the highest downforce of any production Corvette. The flow-through hood and ground effects enhance cooling efficiency and reduce drag, while the available ZR1 carbon fiber aero package, featuring a prominent carbon fiber wing and underbody strakes, maximizes downforce for superior handling at high speeds. The design of the ZR1 is a harmonious blend of form and function. The split rear window, now with ventilation and a louvered spine, improves engine bay cooling, and new carbon fiber hatch intakes draw in cooler air to boost engine performance. An available 10-spoke visible carbon fiber will not only reduces weight but also enhances aerodynamics, underscoring the car's performance-oriented design. Inside, the ZR1 offers a driver-centric cockpit that fuses luxury with performance. High-quality materials and bespoke options create an environment that caters to the discerning driver. The flat top and bottom steering wheel, adorned with unique ZR1 badging and carbon fiber accents, emphasizes the car's exclusivity. For those seeking an extra touch of sophistication, a suede microfiber-wrapped steering wheel is available in the 3LZ trim. Chevrolet has announced that orders for the 2025 Corvette ZR1 will commence in mid-February, with a starting MSRP of $174,995 for the 1LZ Coupe and $185,995 for the 3LZ Coupe. Convertible variants are also available for those desiring an open-top experience. In a remarkable gesture of philanthropy, the first retail 2025 Corvette ZR1, bearing VIN 001, was auctioned for $3.7 million, with all proceeds benefiting the American Red Cross. This event underscores the ZR1's significance not only as a marvel of engineering but also as a symbol of generosity within the automotive community. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 stands as a testament to American engineering prowess, blending unprecedented power, advanced aerodynamics, and luxurious design. It sets a new benchmark in the supercar segment, embodying the relentless pursuit of performance and innovation that defines the Corvette legacy. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Corvette ZR1,